Oh no, look around. Toys are everywhere. Dragon friends, can you help? Let's clean up together. Clean up, clean up. Everyone join in. Pick it up, put it back. Cleaning can be fun. Clap, clap. Hooray! Look what we have done. Clean up, clean up. Now our room shines bright. Pick up Teddy. Give him a hug. Back on the shelf. Nice and snug. Pick up the car. Vroom, vroom, vroom. Park it safely in its room. Stack the blocks one by one. Look how tall. What great fun. Books together, big and small. Back on the shelf. Great job all. Crayons, puzzles, every toy, everything's away. Oh, what joy! Clean up, dragon friends today. Working together every day. Hip, hip, hooray, hip, hip, hooray. Look around, our room is clean. Great job, dragon friends.
If you liked this video, don't forget to like and subscribe.
And hit the bell button.